Here are some Goodmans. Yeah, this place has a lot of them, but I can't go inside. I can just film them from here, that's all. Oh, that one is like bashed. Oh, one of these is super noisy. It's a pretty windy day, but like, a lot of these are actually running. Oh yeah, I believe. Oh yeah, this one here. This one is noisy. Wait, it kind of sounds like. Yeah, it sounds a bit weird. There's a. Wait, no, I don't know what brand that is. I was recording this whole time. Oh shit. Yeah, there's more back there. And you hear that echo? Yeah, all of these are running. Oh, that sounds so nice. There's a lot of these in here. All with Copeland recips. Pretty noisy. Mostly the ones over there. If I could find a way to get in this place, that would be nice. Did one just turn on?
No, it turned off.
Oh. Yeah, and then there's four back here. Yeah, these all sound really nice. Oh, listen to that echo. I'm gonna go back here. I think more are running now. I think maybe not actually. One of these, I think this green one right here, I can't tell which one it is, but they're super noisy.
No, it's these ones here.
Yeah, those ones. And there's also some more. And there's a bunch more back there. It's pretty windy today. And yeah, we'll see where else to go. These are running too. Yeah. Bunch of Goodmans. More Goodmans.
And actually,
a lot of these are running.
majority of the noise that you hear is actually
A lot of these sound nice. I think I might have just gotten busted though. These ones, looks like these have scrolls. One of these just turned off.
that one shut off.
Yeah, I think that has a scroll. Let's see what else is over here. Oh, this one's really quiet. But I think it has a recip.
I think this one has a brisket.
This one is super quiet. It does sound like a Copeland though. Can't even tell what it is. And those units on the other side. One of these just turned off. I can't tell which one it was.
On that side,
Oh, these ones are much easier to. Oh, yeah. And here's some more right here.
more back there that are running.
Wait, hang on. 2011, I think.
Yeah. And I think
Can't see the compressor.
I think if we just missed an opportunity to
Oh, look at all these. Yeah. Look at all those back there. There's so many of them.
Oh, it looks like. Oh, wait, maybe that's just the one.
Yeah.
I think some of the ones over there.
Yeah, it is. Like how? How do we get in though? Was there somebody that came out?
Yeah, like out of that door. There's a bunch more.
Oh yeah, look at those. Right there. I don't know if you can see them. There's quite a lot of people out here, so I might get busted a few times, but that's okay. I hear a lot of them running. Oh, I think some of them are running. Yeah.